Hi, thank you very much for the wonderful response and the appreciation you have given us after the lockdown when you came back to Deepams. Today, we are showing you Deepam's most premium bridal pure gold, pure tissue saris, which has been specially handcrafted and woven by our master weavers. Our weaving community has been in deep trouble for the past 3 months. Each month, when they work with the entire family, the father, mother, the weaver, his children, everybody joined together to weave the sari. And for the past 3 months, they have absolutely no income. Today, we are giving you the most premium pure jari, pure gold tissue saris. And when you pick these saris for a special occasion, you will make our couple of viewers smile on their faces after the COVID. This sari, the body is pure gold, tissue by tissue, with a light pink touch on it, and it has got two borders. The top border is very different. It has been woven in a temple style. Inside the temple you have a pink color tissue on it, and the bottom border is very different. It's beautifully designed and handcrafted. It has got a lovely kalamkari design, big motifs, a nice parrot, and parrot is decorated with different tissue colors. It has an orange, it has a green, and it has a pink in it, and big floors. And this border is uneven and it runs across throughout the body. And in the pallu, we have beautiful kalamkari motifs, handcrafted with different colors of pure jari, pure tissue. The blouse is again a nice pink tissue with a temple border. This border can be used for the back and the sleeves. This is one of our most premium bridal tissue sari.
Hi, this is Deepam's designer Kanjivaram bridal tissue collection. The body color is sea green with a beautiful checks. It has got a silver and gold. If you see, one motif is silver, intricated zari, and the other motif is gold, yali, peacock. The body has got a beautiful gold sheen, pure gold zari. It has got a contrast border. If you see the border, it has got two different border. One border is fancy with silver and gold zari, and the other border is traditional gold zari. Contrast pallu, and the pallu is very special. It has got a beautiful intricate silver and gold zari leaf design. The other side, it has got a gold rudrakshi traditional design, and this is the contrast blouse, brocade gold tissue blouse. And this blouse you can use for your sleeve and for your back. It's a very beautiful pure gold, pure zari. Hi, this is the third sari of the day. Deepam's designer handcrafted master weaving tissue sari. This sari is a very special. The color by itself, it is very unique. Very first time Deepam is introduced a beautiful teal grey. The body is teal grey with a lovely gold sheen in it, and the design is jal design with a beautiful motif. If you see the motif, it is very attractive motif, very fancy, This is the contrast border. The border is onion pink with a solid thick border. It is a beautiful border and it has got a contrast pallu. This is a very, very special design. Contrast pallu with a beautiful design. It's a very beautifully intricate design and it has got a lovely blouse. This is a contrast blouse, pink blouse. And this blouse is a very special design. It has got an intricate gold zari with a solid thick border. This sari is a very, very unique and master weaving pure gold sari. Hi, today this is the fourth sari of the day. Deepam's designer traditional Kanjivaram bridal tissue sari. The body color is very unique, very, very special color. It is pure zari, pure gold tissue zari. The body color is rust. It has got a floral design. The motifs are very intricate and crafted design. The body is very specially done. It is a beautiful floral weaving, gold zari, and it has got a contrast border. The border is very unique and very special. It has got a temple traditional weaving border. It has got gold and silver design. In between, it has got a geometrical fancy design. Both the side equal border, and this is the pallu. Whereas the pallu is pure gold designer tissue gold pallu, and it has got a contrast ivory color blouse. The blouse is very unique by itself. The color is very beautiful with a thick border where you can use this border for your sleeve and for your back. Hi, today's fifth sari of the day, Deepam's very, very special pure gold zari tissue sari. By itself, the color combination is very unique, very special, very beautiful color combination. The body color is ivory gold with a nice floral jal design with a motif. If you see the motif, it has got silver and gold, pure gold zari, and the motif is Mughal motif with a intricate design, and it has got a contrast border. The border is very unique and special. By itself, the color is turquoise border. It has got a double border. If you see the border, one border is a solid border and the other border, it is a fancy border with a circular motif in. Inside the border, it has got a rudrakshi, elephant and floral weaving. It is a pure gold and silver zari. And it has got a contrast pallu, whereas the pallu is very special, very neat, with a beautiful circular motif. And the other border is fancy design, and it has got a contrast blouse, whereas the blouse is a pure gold, pure zari with a beautiful sheen on it, and it has got a lovely border where you can use for your sleeve and for your back. It is a very, very special color combination.
This is the sixth sari and the best sari in Deepam. The most premium bridal tissue collection.
This sari is a very beautiful design. If you see the body, it is pure gold and silver zari. It has got floral multicolor weaving. If you see each motif, it has got a different color shade, whereas this, it is more modern with a nice pink. It has got blue, it has got orange, like that. It has got multicolor. The whole sari has got beautiful weaving of pastel, pure gold and silver zari. It has got a contrast border, whereas the border is very traditional, solid gold intricate design, and the other border is a very big border, about 7-inch border. One side you get intricate design like peacock with a turning weaving, and it has got a solid thick border. Whereas the pallu, it is a very exclusive traditional pallu with a beautiful floral rust color weaving, and it has got a contrast gold tissue blouse, whereas the blouse is pure gold. It's complete gold with a double border. This sari is a very, very unique and very special sari, bridal traditional Kanjivaram tissue collection of Deepam. Thank you.